Here we are in the temple grounds. This is the big, what they call Gong or bell house. It's 2 stories tall and they've got all sorts of different bells that you can ring out for good luck. It's very much a Buddhist thing. And this is where they have people can meet here. It's very quiet. I won't ring now. It's better, if you're going to ring it, you ring it around 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock during the daytime. But there's some big bells there. You can see here someone's made a donation of 5,000 baht. It's a beautiful timber structure. See, you've even got the big, almost like the Japanese style war drum. See over there? In the far distance. I'll come in and then I'll do a proper video and I'll actually ring out all the different bells. I'll take a walk down this way. Be careful. When you've had a lot of rain, it can get very slippery in here actually. Now this is supposed to bring a lot of luck, this one here. A lot of people come specifically for this shrine here. I'm not sure. It's to do with the Buddhas, I think, and the meaning of it overall. They light their candles along there and ask for something. It's animism mixed with Hinduism and Buddhism. The 3 together, so it's almost like a magic. Again, this is where people's ashes are left. We've been getting a lot of rain. There's the main hall over there. This is where people meet or come to pay respect to the monks and give food to them on a daily basis. There's the antiques hall. It's where the chief monk likes to stay. And here we go, onto my street.